You are in my house now, Alex. I set up on the edge of Barkov's base. Keep those fucking dogs in check. Friends close, enemies closer. I told you we have our ways. No grenades, so we improvise.
Not bad.
Think we fight this war with sticks and stones? The Russians only understand violence, so I show them violence. Barkov has an air force, so we have one too. Our seaplanes loaded with C4.
الدفاع الأولى مستعدة.
بعد الدفاع الثاني بعد ما نفوت.
Are we ready?
Yes, Commander. Let's fly. Flying to the helicopter. I'm in. Stay low. The airbase is ahead. Tarmac inside. Crash into the chopper. Steady. Aim at the helicopter for impact.
We're flying, brothers. Let's get down there.
Airbase perimeter is dead ahead. Second team will cover us with the cannon.
Echo 3-1 Watcher. Forces are moving out on Barkov's airbase, requesting close air support.
Copy 3-1. I'm tasking an unmarked gunship to your position. Stand by.
Roger that.
Get ready. We attack their armories, take their weapons, and take their airfield. Cousins, we fight to free Urzikstan and take back our country. For Urzikstan! Urzikstan!
Got eyes on the armory. That building.
Get in there! Try like an 8.
First armory's cleared.
Planes are airborne, Alex. At the concrete barriers! Enemy! through the gate. Everyone to the gate.
We need to take Barkov's airbase.
I know what to do. I'm going to ram it.
3-1 to Watcher. We're moving to the tarmac. Where's that air support?
Echo 3-1 Alex, the plane's on it. Alex, deploy that helicopter. Bullseye, Alex. Well done.
Chopper down!
Up on the catwalk!
Okay.
Nice. Taking a Molotov.
I can't launch it anymore. I'm sorry, brother.
My planes are down.
Where's the last armory?
In that hangar. Across the tarmac. We take it and the base is ours.
Roger that.
Keep pushing to the hangar!
At the hangar! One in the doorway! Not at the hangar! South! There they are! Cover me! Yes, okay! Southwest! Cover me! To the west! Shoot!
Everyone inside! Leave the hangar!
Some dog bastards are still inside!
I hear them! Alex, get the door! Cover him!
It's locked.
There's a hatch on the roof. Alex, help me up! Up here, Alex, jump! Here, Alex. 1, 2, 3!
Last armory is secure. Resupply on me.
Make it quick. Enemy reinforcements are here.
The fight's not over yet, come on!
They got the power!
We're gonna get boxed in.
I will die here before I back down. Stop those tanks! Helicopter!
Echo 3-1, Viper 1-1 on approach. Ready for test. What is position? Viper, this is 3-1. Goddamn good to hear your voice. Friendly's in the hangar. Taking fire from troops on the tarmac. You are cleared hot.
Roger, 3-1 Viper inbound. Targets are inside. Stand by for fire. Guns. Missile away. Detonation is good. Re-engage. Take out that enemy armor. East toast. Target is toast. Target is toast. Enemy armor down. Take it out. Bump him up. Reloading. Stand by. Missiles up. Get back. Enemy armor destroyed. Now get after the guys on foot. Got a guy aiming an RPG at us. Jim. They're retreating. Over here. All targets destroyed. Tarmac is clear of enemy movement. Over.
Sound copy, Viper 1-1. Appreciate the high heat. Don't be a stranger.
Right choice.
So you do kill Russians.
Only the bad ones.
Today was a great victory for us. Thank you.
We make a good team.
Yes, we've bought time. But Barker will retaliate.
So will we.